could be alive today to see me standing before great men of this nation, doing what they wanted me to do. But because they are not there, by making them proud, I will serve you people and my nation faithfully. This is a great opportunity for more compassion activities which will touch millions and millions all over this nation. So far, we have built more than 80 houses to needy families, a new one about to be completed for the victims of flash floods in Maithori. This opportunity, the office of the bishop, I'm ready to shelter more people who are in need and fit to be helped by our church. Previously, I have fed thousands of families in my new office of the bishop. I'm ready for the challenge to feed millions, educate thousands of the less fortunate families. As I take my new office, I'm ready to take new challenges in serving God through compassion, new challenges to touch lives, spirituality, and physically all over this nation. Beyond tribal boundaries, beyond religious boundaries, and beyond any human boundary. And this one, I ask God to help me. My office will be known for no boundaries, no class, no political segmentation, but will give an opportunity to the neediest Kenyans. I'll be a bishop of everyone and of everybody. May God guide me through this as I achieve my compassionate goals, feeding the hungry, housing the homeless, educating the needy, and preaching and spreading the gospel of Jesus Christ to the less fortunate in our nation. Recently, in partnership with our American partners for Kieha, we launched a computer school in a very remote village in Marsabit for them to understand what the globe is doing in terms of information technology. Through the partnership of Partners for Kieha, we launched a fashion school in Maithori, dedicating it to the floods victims. And by this, I shall do more, and the one that is upcoming in Chaka, where our patron comes from. To my JCM fraternity, words are not enough to thank you for supporting my vision and this dream. The ascension from 800 members when we were in Varsity Vile Estate, where we were chased after our third Sunday, hit 1,200 members with less than 3 months. And now, in a year and a half, the main church is hosting more than 10,000 members. And where our smallest branch in Kamwangi has more than 30 members. This true love from you people is overwhelming. Once again, Gai aromurathima. Gai ucio wa deithia aromuteithia. Gai ucio wa cenjia ritwa riakwa umuthi arocenjia ritwa rianyu. Ngai ucio wanjiguira tha aromuiguira tha Gayocio wanyambararia aromwambararia ona kwanyu ni kuoyo umwe tu atogerio ni undu wa muci ucio ungi wanyu. To my online church, which has more than 500,000 members, we began it when we were in Gatundu, led by our patron, Mr. Gitonga, residing in the USA. Where is Mr. Gitonga? Thank you so much, our online patron. Our online chairman, Mr. John, who lives in Iraq, and you have all traveled to come and experience and see what you people began. May God bless you for supporting me, for standing with me all the days of your life. To my pastor, my online pastor, Pastor Francis Moher. You have been a brother whom I requested to come all the way from Qatar so that we serve together in the physical church. Your impact in this church has been felt. You are that son I don't want to sit or stay away from. And one day, be faithful. Maybe you will inherit what I'm holding because you have a great future. To my online congregation, you don't know how strong I am, knowing well that you are viewing all over the world. In every nation that Kenya is represented, may God bless you. To all our churches, international churches, through Mr. John and Grace, who are here, I don't know where they are seated. All the way from America, you traveled to come. You began JCM Seattle Church that has members more than any other church in America, African churches. I don't know how to repay you. You requested me to wear your watch in my consecration, and I did it. If this faith will work wonders in your life, receive my bishopric office blessings as you go back to America. I am so much humbled. May God bless you. To my colleagues in Kameme FM, if you are my colleague, you can stand up. For the last 14 years, Kameme FM has been my home. When I joined Kameme, and I was called for a photo session after I won the talent search Nakuru region, I requested my elder brother, Pastor Kiengei, to give me his suit. I will request him to come over. He is my elder brother. He is a pastor. When I was told that I will join Kameme, I didn't have clothes because my mother was sick. Back from the village where we've come from, Mheshimiwa Solo is here, my home area MCA in Majimazuri, Baringo County. From our home to Nakuru, that time was 150 shillings that I couldn't afford. I wrote a letter to my brother and gave it to a conductor because he was a driver. Na ici nicio ciugo iria ndamwirire rira ndamwirire aneanire thuti yake ngahurwo mbica Kameme ni ya njoya. Reke amwire.
Bwana asifiwe. Naitwa Benson. Sitaki aongee hiyo maneno kwa sababu hiyo barua aliniandikia nilikaa naye karibu miaka miwili. sababu aliniandikia barua kaniambia, my brother, nimeitwa kwa Kameme for the photo session. Kale kasuti kako kazuri ama kama kale kazee kwa zile suti zako unipatie tu ndio niende nako. Nilikuwa na kasuti nikakakunja vizuri, lakini hiyo barua nilipoisoma, my brother ame request nimpatie suti yangu moja kati ya zile ambazo nilikuwa nazo. Nilijikuta nikimwagia machozi. Nilipanga suti na nikampatia, na nafikiri alisema alikaa naye ikazeeka mpaka ikageuka rangi.
My brother heo ndo atana mureda mwandikire marwa macio ndarikirie na Gikuyu, ndenda mwire ciugo ire ndamwirire na Gikuyu.
Good. Ajirire atiri njuge na Gikuyu, muru wa maitu no muthi tu ndirakuhoya no rucio ndigakuhoya.
Thank you. Those were the words iria ndamwirire. Ndamwirire kiarie witu he thuti tu ngahurwo mbica na ngukuhoya tu o umuthi nie rucio ndigakuhoya. And I thank God from his wardrobe thuti iria kiraga nyingi ni nie ndimuguriire. Thank you. And sit down. No itare. Na nikio ndainire Ngai ni akumaga thina na ni ahukagia Kenya nani. That time our mother was sick na tutiare no hoti and